In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases, part 1H. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is add fuel to fire. Meaning: to worsen a situation. Sentences: to add fuel to fire, he demanded money from the already robbed person to register his case. He just added fuel to fire when he said it was my fault to get hit by his bike. Number 2. At a stretch. Meaning: in a series, continuously. Sentences: he won 3 competitions at a stretch. They got success in business in all parts of the city. At a stretch. Number 3. At a stand. Meaning: confused, undecided. At a standstill. Sentences: he was at a stand when he lost all his money. I was at a stand whether I should wait for my friends or leave. His company was at a stand when people stopped working. Number 4. An arm and a leg. Meaning: exorbitant or high price, a pretty penny. Sentences: it costed us an arm and a leg to leave our house. You have to pay an arm and a leg to buy that house. Number 5. Around the corner. Meaning: happening very soon, very near. Sentences: they were not willing to quit, for their success was around the corner. Nobody knew what was happening around the corner. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.